What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mel Hispanic, and I am here today with another video for y'all. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I do my hair on wash day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Alright, so here we have Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. And this is sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicones. This conditioner is definitely one of my faves because it really does what it says and it hydrates my hair. It's also enriched with avocado and tamanu oils. Next to that, we have the Matrix Biolage Ultra Hydrasource Shampoo with Aloe, and this is also silicone free. A little ASMR for y'all one time, but this is the MAXSOFT hair scalp massaging tool, and it is made with silicone and plastic, but let me tell y'all, this really works wonders. Now this is what my hair is looking like before I hop in the shower. All of the products I use today will be linked in the description below. First, I rinse my hair off. Now I'm gonna go in with some Matrix Biolage. Squeezing a generous amount. Now all I'm doing here is lathering up my scalp with this shampoo before I go in with that MAXSOFT tool that I showed you earlier. Now let me tell y'all, this brush really does its thing, okay? It gets all the sweat, all the gunk, all the dandruff, everything that's been built up for days out of your scalp. After the first shampoo application, I'm going to go in with a second application using the same brush and the same method. Now, I don't know if this is only me, but I always notice that the second application is the most saturated. Like, you can clearly tell a difference. What I absolutely love about this tool is you do not have to go in with your fingers at all. This brush really does the job for you. I highly recommend this for all hair types because you never know how much gunk is really on your scalp. I never saturate my entire head of hair in shampoo. The second application, I will let the shampoo glide down the ends of my hair as I wash it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. I usually always start at the ends of my hair because that's what really requires the most moisture. As I have the conditioner in my hair, I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb and start detangling. To be honest, y'all, I really like the way that a regular bristle brush detangles my hair better because I really feel like it gets all the product that I need distributed throughout my hair the way that I need it to. I shed a lot of hair during wash day because I only wash my hair once a week. After I detangle and rinse my hair out, I go in with my Maui Moisture Hair Care Shea Butter Hair Mask, and let me tell you, this is everything. I love it. Now you can either A, wrap your hair, B, twist it, or C, put it in a bun as you wait 10 minutes for this hair mask to saturate and do its magic. After the 10 minutes are over, I rinse my hair.
This is how you know when it's time to go fill in.
And finally, this is how much hair I've accumulated in the shower. Before I apply my product in my hair, it's always best for me to make sure that my hair is all the same equal amount of wet that I need it to be. Not too wet, but damp enough. All that's in my spray bottle is water and conditioner. That's it. Now the fun part, I'm going to go in with some of my all-time favorite hair products. This is the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Step 1, and this is part of the leave-in collection. Now, what I did not realize when I picked this up from the store is that this is a Step 1 product, so I'm not sure what the other steps are, but I am sure that this works very well with my routine. Since this is the consistency of honey, because the main ingredient is honey, I do not put a lot of this in my hair. I put about a quarter size or so, and I rub it in throughout my hair and try to get it as even as possible throughout my ends. All my curly girls know about this Denman brush, okay? But the thing is, I do not have time to go section and section throughout my hair every time I wash my hair just to comb out the little sections of hair, okay? I use this to brush out my entire head of hair and distribute the product as evenly as I can. I don't know, y'all, I'm very patient, but when it comes to my hair, my patience is very low. I just don't have time to sit there and go section by section to distribute the product throughout my hair. I just don't. This is how I really do it. By the way, you should always start by your ends. When you are detangling, when you are brushing, when you are combing, always start at your ends of your hair and work your way up. After brushing in the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, I am scrunching my hair. Now I'm going to go in with my Macadamia Healing Oil Spray, and let me tell you, this is amazing. This is my favorite. It smells so good. Now I'm going in with Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls Wash and Go Curling Lotion, and let me tell you, this is bomb, okay? This is bomb.com. It's lightweight, it's moisturizing, and it smells so good. Next up, we have the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and this is a gel that is made with marshmallow and agave leaf extract. I try to go in with as little as I can because this does tend to leave residue if I put too much of this product. After all of that, I let my hair air dry for at least 20 minutes. Finally, I'm going to take my DYSON Ultrasonic Diffuser and I am going to diffuse my hair. The attachments are magnetic, so all you have to do is attach the diffuser onto the blow dryer and it magnetically snaps in place. The blue lights are the fan settings and the red light is the heat setting. So what I do is take the heat setting completely off. Notice how the red lights are no longer there. And as far as the fan setting, I don't really care about that too much because it doesn't have heat. So really it's all up to you. Now let's start diffusing. Now my hair is about 90 to 95% dry, I would say, and this is how it's looking like. Last but certainly not least, I'm going in with my Matrix Biolage Hydrasource Daily Leave-In Cream, and this really does the job. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, please do not forget to subscribe and like so that can help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much and have a blessed new year.